After the rain, the forest is quietly changing. Mushrooms stretch their bodies, lighting up the gloomy forest floor with vibrant colors.
这个蘑菇啊，刚入秋的时候下了几场雨，它就会长得比较多。哎，这有好多呀！1、2、3、4、5、6、7。
Jiang Xin grew up in the Greater Khingan Range. She loved playing in the woods as a kid. Resembling little stars in the grass, the mushrooms decorated her childhood dreams and became her favorite delicacies.
This 这个就是比较普遍的草蘑，也是今年咱们这长得最多的。
There are many kinds of mushroom. Some of them are rather precious.
这种蘑菇叫露基蘑，它的这个味道呢会更好吃。
Some mushrooms are highly poisonous. In terms of distinguishing them, Jiang is well experienced.
这种叫松蘑，在我们这儿会叫它黏团子，因为上面都是黏黏的。然后新鲜的拿回去炒着吃，会特别好吃。
Deep in the woodlands, reindeer also enjoy the meal. Various mushrooms have different tastes, offering them a rich feast. Humans surely are pickier than reindeer. They only collect those fresh, juicy, and nutritious mushrooms with special flavors. The Greater Khingan Range is located on the edge of the cold temperate zone with monsoon climate. In summer and autumn, the strong maritime monsoon is lifted by the mountains. Thus, it usually creates heavy rainfall. The moist forest provides enough space for mushrooms to grow. Thick fallen leaves, rotten grass that has accumulated for years, broken foliage and scratched barks, all are breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. Mushrooms are fungi. The creatures consist of tiny hyphae at the beginning of life, growing among a variety of decaying organic matter. Only when hyphae are exposed to air and spores are formed can they eventually grow into mushrooms. With the core function of producing spores, the mushroom is actually the fruiting body that fungi use to reproduce. Many mushrooms have rather short lives. Having spread the spores, they wither and die to become new soil, giving back to the forest year after year. The Greater Khingan Range is home to over 1,000 mushroom species. In terms of mushroom resources, it is one of the richest areas in China. These mushrooms truly are the most dynamic elves in the ancient forest.